Summer's here. Now what? A practical guide to out of the home activities for kids. When considering what to do, don't let anything limit you. In the words of Buzz Lightyear, to infinity and beyond. Welcome to the iHistorian channel, where this summer we are providing parents with ingenious ideas for a summer filled with fun and engaging opportunities for their kids. Based on more than 30 years of classroom teaching and coaching experience and being a father to five, today we're going to tackle summer activities that you can do out of the home. Are you looking for fun and engaging activities to keep your kids busy this summer? Look no further. In this special summer series, we will explore various activities that will appeal to all parents, all kids, and all family needs. This week's blog will focus on activities that will get you and your kids out of the house to explore the world around you. Specifically, we will explore creative ideas, discovery ideas, shopping ideas, and learning opportunities. Number 1, arts and crafts workshops. There are many different types of workshops varying from area to area. Some workshops to look for include painting or drawing, pottery or ceramics, woodworking or carpentry, and sewing or textile art classes. These classes can be found in local community centers, craft stores, home improvement centers, and schools or libraries. These workshops can help build your child's creativity, improve fine and gross motor skills, and boost self-esteem. Number 2, outdoor exploration. Outdoor exploration can take on many forms. You can go on nature walks, travel on hiking trails, nature photography, or bird watching. One of my family's favorite outdoor activities is to go geocaching. If you haven't tried this, it's a must-do. It's like a treasure hunt where you follow clues, hints, and GPS to find real hidden objects in public places. I highly recommend trying this out. A small safety tip though, if you'll be out for an extended period, consider the weather. Remember to hydrate and wear sunscreen. Number 3, farmers market. Try to visit a local farmers market. At the market, you will learn about local agriculture and healthy eating. You can try new food items. You might be able to schedule a visit to a local farm to learn about food production firsthand. A separate but essential side benefit is that you will be supporting local businesses and the local economy. Number 4, aquarium. Aquarium visits naturally lend themselves to educational and learning opportunities. They capture a world that very few people get to explore firsthand. Many aquariums have interactive, entertaining shows or behind-the-scenes tours. There may be other options if you live far from an aquarium. Personally, I live about 2 hours drive from the closest aquarium. However, just 15 minutes from me is a desert equivalent. The living desert is full of immersive, first-hand learning opportunities to experience the plants and animals in our local climate. If you don't live near an aquarium, there may be something in your area that highlights your local biome. Jacques Cousteau said, "The sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its net of wonder forever." Summer is a perfect time to go on adventures and create lasting memories. The items listed above should serve as a starting point for your adventure. These activities will keep your kids active and engaged all summer long. Step outside your comfort zone to create lasting memories this summer. While aquariums are a general and beneficial activity, many others across the country should not be missed. In my local area, it's the living desert. What is something in your local area that a visitor should take notice of? Share in your comments below. Liking this video and subscribing to this channel will keep these types of videos coming and support us. Hitting the notifications bell will keep you informed as new videos come out. Sharing the video with someone will help us grow. Leave your comments below. Please tune in next week when we'll look at more out-of-the-home activities. I'm Russell with iHistorian. Have a historic day.